This is the Asus ZenFone AR. It's the world's first Tango-enabled and Daydream Ready smartphone running Android 7.0 Nougat. Now you can enjoy incredible augmented reality apps and virtual reality experiences with a 5.7-inch device. The foundation of the ZenFone AR is Tango. Tango is a set of sensors and computer vision software from Google that gives your phone augmented reality capabilities. The Asus TriCam hardware provides data to the Tango software stack, which in turn powers augmented reality experiences. Here's how it works. A depth-sensing infrared array determines its distance to nearby objects. It does this by measuring the amount of time it takes for a laser to bounce back to the ZenFone AR. It combines with data from a motion tracking camera to identify relative position. A 23-megapixel camera captures the real world in stunning detail and sets that as a backdrop to virtual objects. Beyond augmented reality is virtual reality. ZenFone AR is Daydream Ready, so you can experience incredible VR with the Daydream virtual reality platform. Here you can explore new worlds, kick back in your own personal VR cinema, and get in the game like never before. Thanks to the vivid display, ultra-smooth graphics, and high-fidelity motion sensors, you'll be immersed in a world full of surprises. Showcasing a new 3D world requires an excellent display. The WQHD resolution of the ZenFone AR is razor sharp, and the screen is large enough to fill your view in the Daydream headset. A Gorilla Glass face ensures it can weather nicks and scratches. A generous screen-to-body ratio keeps it portable while still being a joy to look at. To process intense 3D graphics on the fly, the ZenFone AR needs desktop-class processing power. At the core is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 821 processor. The 14nm architecture makes it incredibly power efficient, and it's been specially tuned for Tango. The ZenFone AR is also the first phone in the world with 8GB of RAM. With this much going on the inside, you can count on ultra-responsive, augmented, and virtual reality experiences. To ensure everything runs smoothly, the ZenFone AR has an advanced vapor cooling system in place. This keeps temperatures of both the CPU and GPU low while they're working hard. Apps for augmented reality will often need to store 3D models on your phone. To make sure there's room for them and that they can be accessed quickly, the ZenFone AR uses a UFS 2.0 architecture. This is roughly 3 times faster at fetching data than standard eMMC. The ZenFone AR has a great camera that will come in handy even when you aren't trying out augmented reality. The 23-megapixel Sony sensor is able to capture minute details, plus an RGB sensor keeps whites balanced. Asus continues to lead in autofocus with the Tritech system. It combines an infrared laser and phase detection with traditional continuous autofocus. The end result is lightning fast focus in any circumstance. The Asus ZenFone AR breaks boundaries like you would never imagine. Visit zenfone.asus.com to learn more.